Hey you, yeah you, are you here from Instagram trying to win this coin for this week's video, guys? All you need to do, okay, is comment down below that you want this free coin and your Instagram handle, and I will message you guys how to claim your prize if you win. We will be giving away one coin, okay guys, because I'm a coin dealer and I want to show the world off the coins. One coin, maybe once or twice a week, I haven't decided yet, per however many followers we have. So today we have about 7,700, so we're giving away a coin that's worth about $7.70. That's right, about 1 cent for every subscriber that we have. So make sure you subscribe. If you want that number to go up, maybe I could be giving away a $10,000 coin here soon. And make sure you comment down below to be entered in to win this baby. Have an amazing day, guys, and look forward to the video. Alrighty everybody, what is up? Welcome back to a new video. We have the dull knife back in action, everybody. We have this big package here. Bought a bunch of Morgan dollars over the weekend. And so, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let's open it up. Goodness gracious. Alright, let's get it open and then we will get it started. Okay, the mic should sound a little bit better now because it's facing towards me. But let's get started with the one of the first dates, the 1879S. Let's zoom out just a little bit here. All these are graded MS66 by either NGC or PCGS, so very, very nice coins, all super duper fresh. 1879S, MS66, really PQ, really cool. Here's a cool date, kind of flashy, and 1902 Philly in MS66. This one's actually really nice, really solid for a 66, not gonna lie. And you can't really see it, but it kind of has, it's very, very flashy. Very, very flashy. Same with the reverse. It's like wanting to be proof-like, but, it's not. But it is very, very flashy, very, very nice, very PQ. That's one that we're gonna put up in, like, the upper pile here. These are just like regulars. These are ones that are a little bit nicer, in my opinion. This 82S, pretty solid, really clean cheek, not gonna lie. Really, really nice cheek. Blast white coin, really nice. Solid reverse as well. Nothing too crazy, nothing crazy about this coin, but it's a nice 82S. Graded MS66. Again, all of them are MS66s, so I'm gonna not be saying all the grades. This one has some gunk on it. Don't know what that is. It's alright. Coin looks sound, structurally sound. This is an 81S in 66, so, one of the more common dates. Again, super clean cheek for a 66. Got some marks in the field. You're going to see that on some 66s. A lot of them, actually. One mark on the breast feathers and the tail feathers, or the wings, sorry, the wing feathers. But other than that, really nice coin. Nothing too crazy about it. Here we have a cool 1898. Wish it was a 98S, right? Nice little 98 MS66 Philly. Nothing too crazy about this coin either. Nice coin. Cheek is a little bit more, hit up than the 81S, obviously, but it's still a really nice 66. Nothing to complain about here. Nice little sunset toning. Here we have a cool crescent toner. This one's cool. Nice little toner there on the obverse. Got some crescent toning. That's pretty nice, the start of it. Very, very nice. There's an 1885 and MS66. So that's very, very cool. Nice toning on this 85 Philly. And the reverse is just absolutely blast white. Really, really nice coin. Very, very pretty. I like that crescent toning on it. We're going to save this toning stack for last, so let's get this one up and going. Here we go. I went ahead and took all of the plastic off of these just so it's easier, so we can kind of do it in one swift motion. But all these babies are going to be NGC MS66 from here on out. This coin, definitely has been, this coin's like really, really white. Looks like it's probably been dipped out once or twice. But it's not an ugly coin. It's obviously white. It's a 99.0, and it's in a extremely fresh NGC holder, brand new. Kind of put this one in the regular. We're going to put that one up there. This one in the regular holders. Here's a 98.0. It's pretty nice. NGC 66. Nothing wrong here. Blast white coin. Kind of a little bit of a rotated die there on the back. It's kind of harder, more rare, I guess you could say, to see on bigger coins, just because people, caught it more often. Here's an 83, which is pretty nice. I like this coin. Has that nice subtle toning start on the obverse in that fresh NGC holder. It's a nice 66, nothing wrong there. Here's a little bit of an older holder, an 84.0. Wish it was an 84S, right? 66, whew, that'd be crazy. Imagine that. Very, very nice, very, very cool. Kind of sucks that this is worn off, but that's okay. Not a ton of people are too crazy about that. Here's a nice 83.0. This one looks, this one's pretty nice. Has a nice flashy look to it. 1883.0. Very, very nice. You see that little flashy look. Like it's almost to a PL. Just not quite there. It'll never see PL, but it's still a nice coin. Love coins like this. Very, very nice. And we have another older holder for a 1900 cool coin. Have some much better coins in here, with much higher prices in 66 than the others. And we have some common ones as well. This coin's really nice. Has a few small hits, that you can see kind of in there, right on that right field. And then that spot on the back, which probably keeps it from getting a CAC sticker. But it's still a very PQ coin. Very, very nice, very solid. So shouldn't be a problem to sell any of these, They're all pretty solid. Here we have an 1897. Sorry, I was looking at the next coin. This coin's cool. In a slightly older holder, not quite the holographic label, which kind of stinks, but it's okay. Still a very nice coin. With a really solid reverse as well. Very, very, very nice reverse. Here we have a cool coin. You don't see these too much in higher grades. It's a 1921 Philly in MS66. Very, very cool. You wish it was a 21D or 21S, and that'd be insane. But 21, still pretty cool. In those higher grades, they do jump quite a bit. So it's pretty cool to see this baby in an MS66 holder. Very, very cool. Love to see it, love to see it. Here's probably a pretty common date for almost every grade, a 1904.0. This is what you're going to see in your 63, 64 bags. This coin's nothing too crazy, but it's a blast white coin, and it will sell. MS66, so it's a pretty high grade for a collector, and the reverse is PL. See that right there? It's a pretty nice reverse for sure. So, that's a selling point on it. It's obviously going to help it sell. Here's a cool coin that doesn't need any selling points. It's an auction coin, so that's kind of cool. It's an 1885.0 MS66 from the Olathe Dollar Hoard from a U.S. Treasury bag. So this coin's going to have a little bit of premium above the MS66 value just because it's from a Treasury bag. So this is pretty cool. Definitely something a collector wants to get their hands on. And yeah, I'm looking forward to selling it. Very, very cool coin. Here we have a really nice coin. I actually love this coin a lot. It's a 1900.0, and the obverse is so clean. The scratch is on the holder, which kind of sucks because it's a brand new holder. But This coin is very, very clean on the obverse. You know, extremely nice, extremely clean. Looks like, you know, it could be like a 6+. Has a few light marks on it, but I think the reverse is a little bit too ugly. Like, it has a lot of small marks on it. Can't really see it in the video, which I guess that's pretty good. But in person, it kind of has, you know, a couple light marks on it, just kind of scattered across, probably, you know, from other coins hitting it in its mint bag or just in circulation, so that'll probably keep it from getting a plus. But nonetheless, still a very, very nice coin. Here's a very cool coin, nice toner, 19010 in MS66. Scoot these back. This coin's really PQ. You know, you can tell it has a very, very clean face, very clean fields, nice blue, orange toning. Really, really nice. The obverse is super nice, probably a 67 on the reverse. Just too dark on the obverse to really get any higher than a 6. You know, the toning could be covering up some cleaning or something like that, you know. So you don't really want to get it too high of a grade. This 19020 is probably the only coin that's not super appealing in the entire deal. However, I mean, this coin, if this coin was white, I believe it'd be a 67. There are like no marks whatsoever on this thing. Really, really nice, really, really solid coin. Just absolutely stunning. Reverse has that, you know, slight mark right there, but other than that, it's a really, really nice coin. No marks really, just super solid. Here we have another common one, ADS. Pretty flashy as well, so that's kind of cool. You know, you can kind of see the dye polish lines on there in the fields, so that's really nice. Everybody likes to see that. And the reverse is almost PL, I would say. Might be able to go PL, but obviously the obverse isn't there, so I don't think it's ever going to get there, obviously. But still very, very nice, and you know, you can kind of see your reflection a little bit. So very, very nice coin. Kind of helps those more common pieces end up selling. Here's an 86, which is pretty cool. You know, you wish it was an 86S. That'd be great. Really, really nice. Has some very, very subtle toning on the right field there, right on the rim. I would still call this coin white. Yeah, I don't really think there's any problem with calling this coin white. Wouldn't call it blast white, but it is white. So, very, very nice coin. Wish there was a mint mark down there, but nothing you can do about that, obviously. Here's a pretty clean coin in a new holder, an 1887, and it's just really clean. You know, it has that one mark underneath her lips, but other than that, this coin faces up extremely well. Light rim toning, you know, just barely starting. Right on the reverse, sorry. The reverse, pretty nice. Nothing crazy going on, just some nice, you know, toning starting to happen there. Very, very nice. And we have two coins left. The 1896 and the 1888. 88, blast white, obviously, and a little bit of an older holder. Very, very nice coin, though. Nothing crazy, but hey, it's a 66, so it kind of gets you a couple bonus points there. Really, really beautiful coin. Who doesn't like a white Morgan dollar? And last but certainly not least, we have the 1896 in MS66. Absolutely just straight up luster bomb. Such a cool coin. Absolutely so cool. You know, just such a cool coin. 1896. Cooler date, you know, better than the 81S, but still not going to break your bank account. I love coins like this. It's not really common, but it's not really rare, but it kind of gets that, you know, entry-level collector up and going. That is all 24 Morgans, everybody. Every single one on the lot. Right there, you can see them. Let's switch it on over to our face, and here we go. Okay, so the video that I was going to use for the outro ended up having no audio whatsoever. So, have an amazing day, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.